Alright, we'll start now with a butterfly knife. You want to get a cheap practice one. No blade. When you get really good, you can get the real one. You want to start with this one, so you can get a hang with the butterfly knife without getting cut. Getting cut will discourage you from using a butterfly knife if you're one of those weak people. Now I'll show you some moves with the real one. Some simple, basic ones you can practice whenever you're bored. Flip. You flip it up. Turn. Alright. For another move, this is how you close the blade in the opening motion. Turn, 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 turn. Now to open it, turn, turn, flip. Mine's a few years old, so the blade will stick out and get caught. Another one you can do. This is whenever you get really good at doing this. Alright. You're going to flip it back to your first finger, flip it back to your knuckle, flip it this way, and flip it forward. Put your finger right between the blade. With this finger or your thumb, it's going to pull it forward. Alright. For another move, don't hold the knife down here. If you hold it up here, it's going to fly. You're going to hold it like this, flip it around. Kind of hard to do that when you're looking at through it with a camera, so excuse me. What you're going to do, you're going to fling it. This is going to come over here. You're not going to hold it, you're going to let it go. And then you're going to grab it. Sometimes they'll get stuck if you don't do it right. If you want me to do more videos on moves you can try, let me know. I don't got a problem with it. You can get good butterfly knives at pretty much any good butterfly freaking internet thing online. So look it up. This one was bought at a flea market. If you go by a flea market and you like this one, see if they got it there, or just order it online.